We're gonna do an unboxing challenge. Unboxing. We already did it right now.
Yeah.
So the thing, so you don't wait so much. I
Yeah.
got the controller. And tomorrow I'm gonna
unboxing.
Maybe tomorrow.
Unboxing with Luis and Johnny.
I got the thing to connect that.
Let's see the controller. The Xbox One controller.
I'm gonna open the console.
Console. There's a console.
Huh?
There's a console.
Yeah, it's too much plugs.
Yeah, it's so much. Let me show them inside. Like it looks like a kind of like a PlayStation.
Yeah,
it's
it
white.
kind of looks like.
We're gonna put it up here. It's backwards.
What's that? Like that.
It looks like it's backwards. Guys, is it backwards? Yeah, I think it's backwards.
No.
Yeah, it's backwards.
Oh, it's not.
This is, look it.
This is the way you turn it on.
Yeah, but it looks backwards. Because look at these things go.
Look it.
Exactly, that's what's backwards.
And then
It's backwards. Yes, it is. You can tell Papi. It's backwards.
this is where you put the things.
Yeah, but this thing is to hold it. So it's backwards.
Shut up, Johnny. I'm not gonna listen to you.
It's backwards. Look at them. Why is the words backwards, huh? Why is the word backwards?
Oh, yeah, it is backwards. I thought you were saying this way. There.
Okay, ready? I'm going to go slow. Ready? Say.
That's how we said it.
That's all. Okay. Now I'm sorry to you, right? Set. Then.
Does this go here? I don't know. Let me check.
Unboxing.
This way. HDMI high speed. Where's this HDMI
I don't know.
high speed? Here? No, that's TV. Right here. Where does it go? Oh, this way. Oh, where does it go?
So, when you're doing that, we'll just go there. There. Oh. You remember yesterday? These cards? You unboxed them? What do you think? These cards? You remember these? Yeah.
Okay, that's all for today. We unboxed it, and when we're unboxing the whole Xbox One.
This? Wait, what?
It's backwards.
So
yeah.
wait.
Here we go.
Here?
Oh, that. This is the whole.
Let's look. Let's look right. Okay, put it right here.
Oh, no, put it like that.
Hold on.
Put it like that. No. Okay. And that's how the Xbox One looks.
And we're gonna set it up. So
that's
like all for today. So yeah, that's unboxing the Xbox One with my brother. And yeah,
see you tomorrow.
make sure to like and subscribe, and do comment right below. And the last thing you need to do is I already said subscribe and like. If you didn't subscribe, what are you doing? You don't want to miss one of the ugliest, one of the boringest, one of the coolest video. What's that?
For the
batteries.
Yeah.
They give batteries. So yeah. Last thing to do is stay tasty, and I will see you next time.